Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is my client Lauren. She's come in today for a redesign. So I took her previous design off and now we're going in, done all the prep and now we're going in with design. I say that on every video, don't I? But I don't know what else to say. You know when you say something all the time, it's just stuck now. So I can't say anything else. So yeah, hi, happy new year. Did everyone have a nice break? It went really quick, didn't it? I feel like I haven't had Christmas and it's January, but I did have Christmas, and I did have a lovely Christmas Day and Christmas Eve and Boxing Day. So yes, I hope everyone else did too. So we're going for a new design today. So here I'm using, I'm faffing around so much on this baby finger, ain't I already? It's going to be one of those videos, guys. Enjoy. So I'm using here Birthday Suit, and I'm using my aqua brush, my battered aqua brush from Glitter Planet. Definitely need to order some new brushes. They seem to have all just turned against me altogether. But hey, whatever. I also capped that baby finger in crystal glass. So then moving on to the middle finger, here I'm using coconut milk, and I'm just going to create a lovely baby boomer, ombre, whatever you want to call it. I feel like baby boomers are so in again, aren't they? They disappeared for a little while and like they were just for weddings and, you know, special occasions, but now they're creeping back in and I feel like everybody wants a boomer. I'm trying to sway them out of it, but we slipped one in here. We slipped two in here actually. One on the middle finger and one on the thumb. I've missed so many fingers. Somebody called me again. I keep forgetting to put my phone on flight mode, but somebody called me when I did the ring finger and the thumb, so I've missed those out completely, so I apologise. But on the thumb it was just exactly what I'm doing here, and the ring finger was just a base of Birthday Suit because I'm going to do a marble on it. And this is Lauren, who has her wonky finger. I did a fresh set, like I think it was the previous 2 times before this, and it's already so wonky. Like we've just come to the realization that we're just going to have a wonky finger. Like you'll really notice it when I file it and stuff. It's so wonky. There's no way about it, unless we just have to do a fresh set every now. Every set was thinking. But anyway, I'll let you watch this. So the pointer finger is just going to be a full glitter now, standard. So here I'm using Disco Dust from Glitter Planet, and then over the top of that I just pick up some larger chunks from Look At Me Now, which is also from Glitter Planet. Remember, I have a discount code for them, which is Tracy 10, which gives you 10% off your entire order. So yeah, I'm just going to apply that onto the wet acrylic that's already down. So then here I'm capping that nail in crystal glass, and then I pretty much go straight into filing because I'm a div and forgot to record the other two. So yeah, it's not the best video to get up, but not the best start to 2019 for my YouTube, but whatever. I just wanted to get a video out for you because it's been pretty, what has it been, like 3 weeks? It's been so long. I'm having like withdrawal symptoms from YouTube. As ridiculous that sounds. No, I just wanted to get a video up as soon as possible. So yeah, my filing, when I get there, here we are. So side walls first, just to bring them in slightly. I don't know why I do this because I file the shape at the end, so this is just pointless, but again, it's just something I've done for so long, so it's habit. And here's that wonky finger. Wonky now. It don't look that bad there, but it is proper wonky. So yeah, side walls, and then I'll come in with my Efile and I'll whiz over all the nails and just flatten everything out, make sure the cuticle area is lovely and flush, and then after that I will shape them and then I will buff them. And when I shape them, I never get it on camera because it's just hard to get, because it's like in my face, the hand's pretty much in my face, so it's impossible to get a video of it all the time. But I do have a video on how I shape. I've dedicated one purely for that if you want to go and check that out. A lot of people ask what Efile I use, some like newbies. So it's a saeyang K35, and this bit is just a flat top bit that I got, carbide bit that I got from Amazon such a long time ago, and it's my best friend. So here we're going to do a marble. I didn't want to do my normal acrylic marble. I wanted to go back to I wanted to take it back to what I used to do. So I did a clear layer of top coat, didn't cure it, and then went straight in with my white gel polish, just make some random lines and then I'm going to come in with that same brush, and I'm picking up a bit of top coat again, and I'm just going to dab it just down the sides really, just to help blend it out. I think marble this way is either hit or miss. You either get it right first time or you just don't. I wasn't happy with it at first, but at the end it looked fine, so I was pleased. So then I'll cure that when I'm happy, and then I'll come in again with that white, and then I'll just go straight over the top just to make some more little squiggles, and then again same with the top coat. And then when you're not 100% happy with your marble, what do? You add a little bit of glitter. So this is rainbow silver from CGLP. That feels weird saying that. Yeah, so it's just a silvery gel polish, and I'll just apply a few little lines of that and cure, and then we're going to go in a top coat. I'm using here the Gel Bottling Extreme Shine top coat. Loving it, absolutely loving it, not gonna lie. I love that it's kind of thick, not too thick, not too runny. I love the feel of the bottle. I love how big the bottle is. Yeah, absolutely no faults with that. And look at that blend. I was so happy with that. So once I applied my top coat, I then applied Naff Stuff's cuticle oil in coconut. And then that's the finished result. I do leave a little clip at the end for you to see. So I do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I'd love it if you did. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.